Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you on how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. I'll make this video as easy as possible so you can follow me through this. First, you're going to open your Shopify store and then go to Add Apps. You can see at the bottom is Shopify App Store. Click it. Search for CJ Dropshipping and then click it, this logo. In your case, if you haven't installed yet, click install and then you will see this open app. Once CJ Dropshipping is opened, in my case, it is already connected to my store. So first you're going to sign in and connect it to whatever apps you want to connect it for you to log in. So when you are here inside CJ Dropshipping, you're going to find products you want to list on your Shopify store. So let's see, for example, this is the first one I've listed on CJ Dropshipping. Maybe we can find similar items to this. And at the bottom, it said recommended products. As you can see, there are lists below that says 474, list 34, 66, 42. It means that customers or people who are using CJ Dropshipping to list their products to their platform, it says 34 people are listing this item, and what I've listed is like 926 people. You're going to go get the most numbered list, which is 474. And then you can click it so we can see the overview of the product and get the details on it. If you want to sell this, then you have to list. Click list. Your store is now connected here, and then it said it ships from China warehouse. But I recommend to use US warehouse because it is more near to United States. Then product clothing, collections, vendor, myself, and then you're going to put your price, whatever price you want to put. And then I'm using recommended listing price. So the recommended listing price for this variant is 31.86 and the total drop shipping cost is $9. So I would get like profit of 653% of the total drop shipping cost. Then you're going to click list now. And then it may take a while because there's a lot of products and variations from this product, but you can see it in your Shopify store. And as you can see, it's already listed. It has 33 variants. Also, when you go to CJ Dropshipping, you can also see the things that you have listed. So basically, CJ Dropshipping makes our lives easier because it lists all the products, contains all the images, the details, the sizes, the variants of every product to your store, and you don't have to put it manually. CJ Dropshipping puts it automatically for you. So this is the gloves that we have added a while ago. So you can see this in your Shopify store, and then we're going to look into our online store, and look, this already listed. So it is just as easy on how to connect it. So if you have any items you want to list from CJ Dropshipping, then you can list it now automatically and easy. Thank you for listening and following for my instructions. I hope you guys learned from it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels. And don't forget to comment down below and push the notification bell on how to connect your store from any platform. Thank you!